A few days ago, one of you left a very honest comment on my video about 5 assets that pay you while you sleep, even with a small salary. You said, building digital assets is so difficult nowadays with too many content creators. And honestly, that comment perfectly describes what a lot of people are feeling right now. Everywhere you look, there's another creator, another YouTube channel, another blog, another online course, another person talking about making money online. So naturally, people begin to ask, is there even room left? Comments. You're 100% right. Most niches are saturated. But here is the brutal truth. They are only saturated with people doing the exact same thing. That's the part most people miss. The internet is crowded with repetition, not originality. And because of that, most people unknowingly walk into the digital world trying to copy what already exists instead of building something that fills a real gap. Today, I'm going to show you why 90% of people fail to make even $1 from digital assets and the 4-part differentiation framework that will put you in the top 10%. Because the truth is, building digital assets is still one of the greatest opportunities of this generation, but only for people who understand one important principle. But before we get into it, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and make financial decisions based on your personal situation and goals. The money is no longer in being louder. The money is in being different. And once you understand that, everything changes. Most people fail because they are generalists. They see a guru talking about how to start a blog, and they start a generic blog. This creates a sea of sameness. If your digital asset looks, feels, and sounds like 1,000 others, you have no moat. Nothing to protect your income from the next person who comes along. This is exactly why so many people quit. They spend weeks creating content, months posting videos, hours designing products. And after all that effort, they hear silence. No views, no customers, no momentum. Not necessarily because they are untalented. This is exactly why so many people quit. They spend weeks creating content, months posting videos, hours designing products. And after all that effort, they hear silence. No views, no customers, no momentum. Not necessarily because they are untalented, but because there is no clear reason for someone to choose them over everyone else. Think about it this way. If 10 different channels are all giving the same advice, using the same titles, the same thumbnails, the same talking points, and the same examples, eventually they all become invisible. People stop noticing them, because humans naturally ignore repetition. This is why differentiation matters more than perfection. A lot of people believe they need better editing, better cameras, better logos, better microphones. But often, what they actually need is a clearer angle. The internet does not reward people who simply repeat information. It rewards people who package information in a way that solves a specific problem for a specific group of people. That's the real game. And once you understand this, you stop competing with millions of people. You start creating your own category. The differentiation framework, microniches. To win, you must stop being a generalist and start being a specialist, the localized advantage. Focus on your backyard. What are the specific local investment apps or land opportunities in your region that global gurus ignore? The time-poor angle. Build assets for the person who only has 30 minutes a day. The low-tech path. You don't need to be a coder. You can build a digital empire using nothing but WhatsApp and Google Docs. The inflation survivalist. Create assets that specifically teach how to earn in USD while living locally. This is a high-stakes, urgent problem. Now let's break these down properly. The first one is the localized advantage. This is one of the most overlooked opportunities online. Most creators try to sound global. But the reality is that local problems create some of the strongest opportunities. Think about it. A creator in Nigeria understands Nigerian banking frustrations better than an American finance guru. Someone in Ghana understands local mobile money systems better than someone living in Canada. A creator in India understands local business culture differently from someone in Europe. That local understanding is an advantage, not a weakness. Because while global creators are speaking broadly, local creators can speak specifically. And specificity builds trust. For example, instead of making content called How to Invest, you could create How Students in Nigeria Can Start Investing with 5,000 Nigerian Nairas. That immediately feels more real, more practical, more relatable. Suddenly, you are not competing with every finance creator on the internet. You are solving a local problem for local people. And people pay attention when they feel understood. The second part of the framework is the time poor angle. This is extremely powerful because most people today are exhausted. They are working jobs, managing school, taking care of responsibilities, trying to survive inflation. And because of that, they don't want complicated systems. They want simplicity. But most online creators accidentally make everything feel overwhelming. They create 5-hour courses, complex workflows, huge checklists, and unrealistic strategies. Meanwhile, the average person only has a small amount of free time, sometimes just 30 minutes. So instead of building for highly motivated entrepreneurs with unlimited time, build for tired people, busy people, people who need efficiency. That changes everything. For example, instead of creating the ultimate 10-hour course on building wealth, create the 15-minute daily wealth system for busy salary earners. Do you see the difference? One feels exhausting. The other feels achievable. This is why simplicity wins. People are not just buying information. They are buying clarity. And the easier you make something feel, the more attractive your digital asset becomes. The third part of the framework is the low-tech path. This one is important because a lot of people never start simply because they believe they are not technical enough. They think they need coding skills, fancy software, expensive equipment, or advanced business systems. But the truth is, some of the most profitable digital assets online are surprisingly simple. You do not need to build the next billion-dollar startup. Sometimes all you need is a simple system that solves a frustrating problem. That could be a WhatsApp community, a Google Docs template, a budgeting spreadsheet, a simple PDF guide, a voice note training series, a Notion workspace, a checklist, or even a small digital toolkit. The point is not complexity. The point is usefulness. And this matters because simplicity creates speed. The more complicated something feels, the longer people delay taking action. But simple systems are easier to launch, easier to improve, and easier to scale. Many people spend years planning digital businesses they never launch. Meanwhile, someone else creates a simple resource using free tools and starts generating income. Perfection delays. Execution compounds. And in the digital world, consistency beats complexity almost every time. The fourth part of the framework is the inflation survivalist. This is one of the strongest opportunities in today's economy, because millions of people around the world are struggling with rising prices, weak local currencies, and unstable economies. And because of that, there is a massive demand for information that helps people earn stronger currencies online, especially USD. This is not just a financial topic anymore. For many people, it's survival. That's why this niche has urgency. And urgency creates attention. People are constantly searching for how to earn in dollars online, how to escape local inflation, how to work remotely, how to receive international payments, how to build online income streams. These are real problems, and real problems create real opportunities. If you can become someone who helps people navigate these challenges, you are not just creating content. You are creating value. And value is what creates long-term digital assets. Now let's talk about something important. A lot of people think success online comes from going viral. But virality is unreliable. You cannot build your future on randomness. What actually builds sustainable digital assets is usefulness. Useful things survive longer. A viral video might disappear in a week, but a useful system can generate income for years. That's why the smartest creators focus less on attention and more on utility. Instead of asking, how do I get views? Ask, how do I solve a painful problem? That shift changes the entire direction of your business. Because attention without value fades. But value creates trust. And trust creates income. Let's look at a real-world example. If you make a general finance for beginners course, you're competing with everyone. But if you create a guide on how to build a $50 per month dividend portfolio using only Nigerian stocks for students, you found a value gap. You are solving a specific problem for a specific person. That is how you get your first sale. This is one of the most important principles in digital business. The narrower your focus, the clearer your value becomes. And ironically, the more specific you become, the easier it becomes for the right people to find you. Because now your content feels designed specifically for them. That emotional connection matters. People support creators who understand their situation. This is why niche creators often outperform general creators. A small audience with a strong connection is more powerful than a large audience with weak attention. And this is another place where most people fail. They chase numbers instead of relationships. They want millions of views, but they ignore the importance of trust. Trust is what creates loyal audiences. Trust is what creates repeat buyers. Trust is what turns content into income. And trust is built through relevance, not imitation. Another thing you must understand is that digital assets take time. This is where many people become discouraged. They expect immediate results, immediate sales, immediate growth, immediate success. But digital assets behave more like seeds than machines. At first, progress looks invisible. You post videos nobody watches. You create products nobody buys. You write content nobody notices. And during that stage, most people quit. But the people who eventually succeed are usually the people who stayed consistent long enough for momentum to appear. Momentum is powerful, because eventually one video starts performing, one product starts selling, one audience begins trusting you, and suddenly, years of effort begin compounding. This is why patience matters. Digital assets reward consistency more than intensity. You do not need to be perfect. You need to remain active long enough for your systems to grow. Another mistake people make is trying to copy personalities. They copy how someone talks, how someone edits, how someone dresses, how someone presents ideas. But authenticity is one of the strongest forms of differentiation. The internet already has enough copies. People are drawn toward creators who feel real. That does not mean you need to reveal every detail about your life. It simply means you should communicate in a way that genuinely reflects your perspective and experiences, because your uniqueness is an advantage. Your background, your struggles, your location, your experiences, your observations. All of these things shape a perspective nobody else can perfectly duplicate. And often, the thing that makes you different is the thing that eventually makes you valuable. Saturation is a myth for those willing to be different. If you're ready to stop being average and start being a specialist, hit that subscribe button. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to execute the low-tech path step by step. Let's get to work. But before we end, remember this. You do not need to dominate the entire internet. You only need to become deeply useful to a specific group of people. That is how digital assets grow. That is how trust grows. And that is how sustainable income is built online, not through copying everyone else, but through solving problems in a way only you can. Because in a world full of repetition, clarity